In this video, I will explain the source code to implement username and password for admin user, and also I will discuss the source code to manage admin accounts. Now let me go back to code blocks. So at first we call main menu function here. Inside main menu function, when user will select option A to log in as admin, then we call admin access function. Inside admin access function, there is a if else condition to check whether application is running for the first time or not. So this is done by with the help of check first login function. If this function return value 1, then it means application is running for the first time, and we call create account function. And if not, then we will call admin login function. Inside check first login function, we first try to open the data file which used to store admin account details. And if this file pointer FA is not null, then it means data file already exists in the system and very first admin account is already created. So it means application is not running for the first time. So we return 0 value. And if this file pointer is null, then we return value 1. So this is the logic that I am implemented to check whether application is running for the first time or not. Inside create account function, we request user to provide new username, new password, and also we request user to retype password. And to read the username, we use get string function, and to read a password, we use get password function. This function is very interesting. We will discuss later. And we compare both password. If both are same, then we, with the help of add function, we save the password in the data file. And this add function is declared inside access operation header file, which we will discuss later. After creating account successfully, we call admin login function. Inside admin login function, we simply request user to provide username and password. And similarly here, we use get string function to read username from username, and we use get password function to read password. And with the help of check function, we check user account details with existing information in the system. If user account details exist in the system, then login successful, and we call admin menu function. If account do not exist in the system, then we again call admin login function to request user to log in again. Now I will discuss about get string and get password function. These functions are written under utility.h header file. Get string function simply read the string entered by the user. This function is not a new function. I have reutilized this function from my previous project, and I had discussed about it in details in my previous video. You can watch it. Get password function is a new function, and as you know, when user type password, we can't display password on the screen, and instead of password we have to display a strict character on the screen. So to achieve this, I have used get cs function and put cs function. The get cs will read the key pressed by the user. So when I press key A, then it will read. Even if I press key enter, it will read. Similarly, all the key it will read. And put cs, it will put the character on the screen. So these two function is used to achieve that. Let's start from the beginning. Ch is the character variable to assign the value captured by getCS function, and I is the counter variable to count the length of the password. And as you know, when we press the key, getCS will read that value. And when user need to provide multiple character, let's say the maximum length of the password is 10, then user can type up to 10 characters. So to read all those characters, we need a while loop. And condition to run the while loop is either character not is a enter key. So 13 is a ASCII value of enter key. Let's say character is not enter key, and the length of the password is not greater than maximum allowed length, so which is SZ. And at first, let's say user enter character A, the value is assigned to CS variable, and it will go to first condition of if else branch. So first condition is CS character is equal to 8. 8 is ASCII value for backspace key. So here this condition will not fulfill because the character is A. Now it will go to second branch, if else branch. Here the condition is character is not equal to integer. 13 is the ASCII value of integer, and character is not equal to backspace. Then it will put character asterisk on the screen, and it will assign first element of character array VOF. So it will assign with the value get by getCS function here. And now we will increment the counter here. So this way, this while loop will loop until a user will press enter key. So let's say second time user press B, and third time a user press C. And now on a fourth attempt, user want to delete this first character C. Then user will press backspace. So let's say this first branch of if else condition fulfill here. Then to delete the character from the screen, we print first backspace, and then we print space, completely blank space, and again we will print backspace, and we decrement counter to reduce the length of the length count of the password, and we nullify the value from the character array here in this line. So I will explain how this print will work. Let's say our cursor is after C, so cursor is here. So when we print /B, then cursor will move one step behind, and we print space, then it will remove character C from the screen. Then now cursor will move one step ahead again, and when we print backspace, the cursor will move again one step behind. So this way we can delete the character from this screen, and I will demo you how it looks. So at last, when user will press enter, when user will press enter, then we simply assign the last value of character array by a null character. Okay, and so this is the logic to read the password from the user. So now let me demo the application to show you how it works. Let me log in as admin by option A, and as I have already created admin account, so application took me straight to login page, and my username here, and let me type a random password first. So after typing random password, I can delete it completely. I can delete all character, type again, delete again. So this technique is working perfectly. Now let me type actual password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Login successful. If I press any key, it will take me to admin menu. Now I will simulate application is running for the first time by deleting data file here. So this I will delete the data file where our admin account is stored. I will delete. Now application will think we are running it for the first time. Select option A. See, it is taking me to create account page. So it is asking me to provide new username. Let me type Dinesh password 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Account created. If I press key, it will take me to login page, and I will log in. 2 3 4 5 6. Login successful, and this is our admin menu screen. Now I will quickly explain the source code of option A, add modify admin account. At first, let me go inside option A. User will get 4 options to view admin account, add admin account, update admin account, or delete admin account. Now let me go back to code blocks. Admin menu will start after login. So it's after successful user login, admin menu function will start, and admin menu function is written under user menu.h header file. So here we have admin menu, and if user will press option A, then we call access menu, and under access menu there are 4 options. If user press option V, then we call view account. For option A, we call add account function. For option U, we call update account function, and for option D, we call delete account function. And if user press escape key, we call admin menu to go back. And this view account, inside view account, we call view function. to get the data, to get admin account data from the file. And this view function is written under access operation. We will discuss later. And similarly, inside add account function, we use add function, which helps to add account in the file. And we use this function in create account function also. And similarly for update account, we use update function to update the admin account details. And also in delete account, we use del function to delete the admin account. And all these function, that add function, update account, view account function, are more like interact with user. So actual operational function are written under access operation. And see here, we have view function and add function and update function and delete function. And these are more like file operation. Like we already discussed about these function in our previous project. You can watch video also. I have discussed about this function in details. I'm simply reusing this function here. And this is, I'm not doing any new item here. Simply, we are doing file handling. So we simply read the file and return the data inside view function. And add also simply, we read the file, we open the file and add data, and update also same logic, delete also same logic. And inside this check function, there is a two option. For flag value 0, this check function will compare both username and password. And for flag value 1, it will compare only username. So I think we are good up to here. Now I will demo the application. So this is our, let me go back first. And option A, so this is our manage account menu. So first I will go to view accounts. So I have already created 5 accounts. So see here, we can see only username, we can't see password. And I'm displaying, column wise, not vertically, everything. And I'll go back and add account. And go and view, see a new account added here. I'll go back again and add and view update. Update is more like you are updating password only. So you will not see any changes, but let me update one of the account. And new password I will provide. And username updated successfully. Press any key to continue or press escape to go back. So I will go back and let me delete any account. I will delete newly added account and username successfully deleted. So, and if I view again, that new account gone. So up to this is the end of second part.